Remember the steps for building a component that we covered in the last module? We define a class, we add a component decorator to define the metadata and specify the template, and we import what we need. The only thing that's really different from the component we created in the last module is the template property. Here we are using template URL to define the location of our linked template instead of defining an HTML string. Notice the syntax of the path here. If we follow the convention of defining the template HTML file in the same folder as the associated component, we can use a relative path by specifying /. Let's jump right back to the demo and give this a try. We are back with the sample application exactly where we left it, and we are ready to build a new component. We start by creating a new file in the products folder. We'll name it using the component naming convention, .component because it is an Angular component, and .ts for the extension. Then we create the class, export, class, product list component. We're exporting this class so it is available to other parts of the application. Next, we decorate the class with the component decorator. It is the component decorator that makes this class a component. And we know what that underline means. We need the import statement. Let's pass an object into the component decorator with the appropriate properties. For the selector, we'll set PM products. We use the same prefix as in the app component to distinguish the selector as part of the product management application. Then we define the template URL. Here we provide the path to our HTML file. Since we defined the HTML file in the same folder as the component, we can use the // relative path syntax here. So now we have our template defining our view, our class which defines our associated code, and the component decorator that defines the metadata. Our component is complete, and we're ready to use it.